Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi dear, welcome back to Cel Kirei official channel. Okay guys, now I'm going to tell you top 5 product that I like and I recommended this for you if you want to try buying this product. Okay guys, the first product is Catkin Morning Dewy Face Primer. Yeah, this one the product. You can see my final look makeup, so flawless. Yeah, because the face primer is really good. Okay, why I recommended this for you? Because this is a moisturizing, nourishing, refreshing, long-lasting, and inside include herbal ingredients. Okay. So yeah guys, if you have allergy, sensitive skin like that, you can try this face primer. Okay, because inside include camellia. You know camellia, okay? Camellia is for antibacterial. Okay, also can for allergy skin like that. This one very good. So that's why I recommended this for you. Okay guys, the second product is Catkin 6 Color Correct Contour Concealer. Yeah, correct. Okay, this one the product. Oh my god, so you buy one you get a lot, yeah. You can see the color correcting. This one the contour, the concealer. This one the white one is highlighter. Okay, like that guys. And this one the pigmentation is really good. Okay, we try the highlighter, yeah guys. Okay lah, I swatches for you. Okay, this one the highlighter. Okay, the green one. Okay, next the purple. And next the orange one. Okay, and next the concealer. Yeah, concealer. Okay, and the last the contour. Aduh. Guys, and the smell very nice guys. Oh, I love vegan cosmetic. Oh my god. Okay guys, this one you can see the color correcting and the contour and concealer. And this one the highlighter. I really love this product. Okay, the next product guys is the blush. Oh my god guys, you can see the packaging. Actually they have some set of this blush, but I choose the C05. Okay, I like to try the brown blush like this. Okay guys, this one you can see. Glow blush. Okay guys, why I recommended this blush for you? You can see guys. Actually I don't need the highlighter, but it's okay. You can see guys. Okay, jadi the blush add with kind of crystal shimmer, smooth powder, silky face, and natural color. You can see guys, look natural. Correct or not? Okay, and the next product I recommended for you is Catkin eyeliner. Yeah. Oh my god. Easy to wear. Okay guys, you can see guys how easy to wear, to aplikasi. And this one long lasting and waterproof. Oh my god, I really love this eyeliner guys. Okay, if you are makeup beginner, like me, you can try to buy this eyeliner. Okay guys, for the last product that I like and I recommended this for you is tada! Okay, this one Catkin Summer Place lipstick. Yeah, this one matte finish. Okay, you can see so gorgeous packaging. Oh my god. Okay guys, and you can see guys, and actually this lipstick, yeah guys, available in 3 shades, but I choose the green one. Okay, so that's why I think can matching with the CC cushion. Yeah. Okay guys, so okay, I will swatches for you. You can see this one matte, but really not make your lips dry. Okay, I swatches for you. I swatches for you here. Okay guys, if you are looking for a good matte lipstick, you can try buy this Catkin lipstick, yeah, because this one really very moisturizing and hydrating your lips. Yeah guys, and now I have one product I don't like or I regret buying from Catkin Cosmetic. Okay, what is this? Can you guess? Okay, is the lip balm. Yeah, actually this one really gorgeous packaging. And why I regret? Why guys? Okay, the reason is I don't feel okay if this lip balm can moisturize my lips. Okay, but actually with the mint smell, yeah, I also don't like the mint smell like that, guys. I don't know if this one mint smell, so I regret. But if you like mint smell, you can try buying this one. It's never mind for you, okay, but for me this one very annoying. Yeah.